Approach. The approach for spinning is also known as the setup carve and creating a platform to spin from. Pretty much every snowboarder spins backside from the toe edge because leaving from your toe edge helps to project your momentum into the backside direction. The good news is the approach line is more or less the same for all backside spins. Once you have the speed for a straight air, drop in with the same speed and do one smooth setup carve on your heel edge. As the jump transitions from run in to takeoff, transfer to your toe edge, preparing for the backside spin. This is called creating a solid platform or solid position over your toe edge to spin from. The transition from your heel edge to your toe edge usually happens approximately at the point of flat ground, where the jump changes from a downhill in run to an uphill lip. Aim for your board to leave the lip of the jump in a straight direction. This means you'll fly in a straight direction and stomp down into the middle of the landing. Every jump is slightly different and the approach path will differ between different jumps, although the basic pattern is always the same. Heel edge setup carve, transferring to a toe edge platform to spin from, boom. You need to have strong carving skills to do this properly. Carving is the ability to turn your snowboard while riding only on your edge, and it allows you to keep nearly all your speed while turning. The most common problem with backside spins is that riders will carve too hard on the toe edge when leaving the lip of a jump. This can cause you to drift out to the side of the landing and hit the knuckle, or to catch your edge, throwing you off balance. The toe edge carve is not an aggressive turn, but a strong, solid position over your toe edge that you're going to spring from. Getting the approach correct for your backside spins is an essential technique that you need to master.